Let's look at the next property of proportion. Here we are going to see the property componendo and dividendo. Okay, let me take two ratios, A is to B and C is to D, which are in proportion. That is, they are equal. So because these two ratios are equal, these two ratios are in proportion. Okay, now what I am going to do is, I am going to take the ratio A is to B. In this ratio, I am going to add the second term to the first term. Then I get A plus B. Now I subtract the same second term B from the first term A. I get A minus B. Okay, now I form a new ratio with A plus B as the first term and A minus B as a second term. So the same thing I am going to do in the ratio C is to D. Then I get C plus D, C minus D. I form a new ratio with C plus D as first term, C minus D as next term, second term. Now these two ratios will be in proportion, that is, they will be equal. So this property is called componendo and dividendo. So componendo means we add the first term and second term, dividendo means we subtract the second term from first term.